for GPS test section 403018. We're on Interstate Highway 240 in the westbound lanes in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. The reason we're having to revise this is that the original section that was selected and marked as a GPS site is going to be right in the middle of an interchange job which is coming up as a result of the expansion of Tinker Air Force Base here on this southeast side of Oklahoma City. They're going to be providing a new entrance into the Air Force Base, and that's going to affect this pavement up at that area. However, it doesn't affect us here, so we decided just to move the GPS test section a couple of miles to the west. Okay, like I said, we're on 240. We got very similar conditions in terms of terrain and so on from what we had before. What you see back behind us there is Sunny Lane Road. I'm looking over towards the north. We've got a frontage road back behind the fence there. And then that's Bryant Avenue up ahead. I'm going to make this a quick one because I know I'm short on tape and there's not really much to talk about here. Unlike the previously identified GPS section, we don't have any corner breaks on this job. The joints were apparently cleaned and resealed on here at the same time as they were there. The only thing that I've noted on this is some polished aggregate in the wheel paths, which you'll see a little bit better when I get down to the end and look back, and some faulting, which is generally less than the 0.4 of an inch break point. You can hear with the vehicles which pass by the faulting which we have here. Got a paved outside shoulder and inside shoulder. Inventory data will be exactly the same as before, since it was project specific rather than test section specific. Coming up to Station 3. We do have some distress, like a corner brake, for instance, there in the inside lane, but again, that's not part of the test section lane, so it's not to be noted on the survey form. You see us approaching the end of the test section up ahead. See the signs we're approaching for Bryant Avenue and the informational sign for Eastern Avenue on up ahead another mile. And there's the exit ramp to Bryant, which is about 400 feet beyond the end of the test section. Here we are at the end. Generally we're in a low fill here, 2 to 4 feet. Looking back upstream, you can you can see what I'm talking about, and this extends throughout the test section. Actually, it's a little bit more than what I've noted on the form. It's more like about 5 feet total, 2.5 feet in each lane, maybe 3. I'm not going to get out there and try to find out. And this ends the video for test section 403018, US Highway 240 between Sunny Lane and Bryant Avenues in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. 240. We've been working on US highways all week, and just got my tongue twisted there. Sorry about that.